Ask Gamecocks.
A lot of readings. Don't underestimate the readings, trust me.
Library at the moment, well, it's first off, it's massive. Like, your subject specifically will be on one floor. But if you really, really need to study, there are some just these, like, they look like desks. You can't see anyone else except your work. And, you know, if you really need to buckle down and you've got, like, an essay due in 2 hours, don't leave an essay due in, like, 2 hours, though. So, definitely don't do that.
So now we are in week 9. Just handed in my first essay, which was about Merhold, and I loved the fact that we could have another point of view from the Russian theatre.
So for my essay, this was my first essay. I got it back. She was saying, you know, this is how you could get a better mark, and she told me where I was going wrong. Strengths, what you did well, you know, your research and understanding, followed by
buckle down, buckle down, buckle down.